Yo, what's up guys, and welcome to today's Saturday crypto updated video. Sorry I didn't do much of videos this week. This week has been a rough week. I couldn't do any trade recap. Bro, I was so tired. I know I'm making all of these excuses, but I'm literally tired. I work so much and I don't even find a time for myself. So yeah. We are doing this crypto updated video. We have been there's actually not good news this week because there's a lot of things going on in in this period of time. So before we go into the news that came out of this week, I'm gonna go into the analysis side of the market. What is the market foundation looking like in the price action and so on. So before we go into the video, please don't forget to smash up the like button and to hit that subscribe button to let us reach 250 legends before the end of June. And believe me or not guys, you could do that. I'm betting on you. You can just click subscribe and we can reach that number. So before we without further ado, let's get started, man. So we always start with USDT dominance. This week has been a little bit rough week because the uncertainty in the market and the not balanced news at all. We had the good news, but then we had the very bad news. We have a good news, but then we have very bad news again. So what had happened is that after we traced back into this, we saw the retracement into the altcoins, and then we did see the good news comes in, and then the market kept going down. We broke the structure on USDT dominance and we continued the move to the downside. But then boom, there's a very bad news that came out literally yesterday or the day before this one, which is Israel hits South Part gas field in Iran, and one of the world's largest gas fields. So Iran hit Israel and Israel hit Iran. The fuck is this bullshit ass war, bro? Why do they fucking start a war in the first place, bro? That's the thing that I don't understand. Let me pump my bags. Shut the fuck up. I don't care about your fucking policy. I don't care about none of you guys. Stop fucking war, bro. Stop fucking creating wars. Stop fucking hitting each other with bombs, bro. That won't help with anything. That won't help with any fucking thing. Let me pump my fucking bags. Crypto was in a very good way. Was very in a good, like, everything started looking positive. Everything started looking good for the altcoin season. Now you came out and fucking another war in the Middle East. Like, what the fuck? Why all of these people are creating all of this bullshit? We just survived Elon Musk versus Trump. We just survived Trump versus Jerome Powell. Bro, what the fuck is going on? Please let us pump our bags, bro. When the altcoin season is going to start, if you guys keep on doing these types of things? Everything is looking bullish for Bitcoin and for crypto. Why don't you fucking stop bullshitting yourselves, bro? Stop fucking making yourself you're the best. Stop, bro. Stop fucking war. Can't you live in the fucking peace place, bro? Why? The fucking leaders of this world are so dumb. They're so arrogant. They're so dumb to the point where they can't even stay peaceful. Live in a peace place, bro. I don't know why these old people are doing this shit, bro. I don't fucking know. Everything is looking bad. You can't live peacefully. Bro. Everything is looking bad. Why everyone is doing this shit? Stop fucking war. Stop fucking bombing yourself, bro. Stop. I don't like that. And also, I can't trade in that price action. Fucking 10 meters candle to the downside because of Israel bumped Iran, or the opposite. Fucking another 20 meters long candle just because of Trump announcement. Bro, stop all of these shit. My crypto bags are so dead. Why? Bitcoin is back at 104,000. Like we were in the peak. We just survived our this is the short, and we come back. We did come back into the $111,000. Why all of these people are doing this shit, bro? Let us pump our bags. That's literally my only message. Stop doing all of this crazy ass stuff, bro. Bitcoin was about to hit a new all-time high, and you came out with these bullshit ass news. I don't know, guys. Everything was looking good actually on the price action on the weekly time frame. We were just back into this fair value gap, and we just kept consolidating. We made this doji candle, but then the bad news comes in, and we saw the reaction of that, because it's obviously it's bad news. Whenever there is uncertainty and there is fear in the market by investors, they don't invest their money into digital assets. When they see all of these crazy shits happening, they invest in gold. That's why gold is now ripping. As you can see, I don't even have to look at the chart. I know gold is ripping just because of these news. If also the GPY is ripping, also the CHF is ripping, also the New Zealand dollar is ripping. So all of these safe havens are ripping up, and Bitcoin is actually going down because the investors have fear. Also stocks are down. Investors fear wars. They don't like investing in war. Like, bro, oh my god, bro, this shit gonna make me mad, bro. Why all this shit is happening right now? I'm gonna go over news now. The first news that came out on this week was, hold on. So the first thing is that the U.S. Commerce says that the U.S. and China trade talks are going really well. This is the good thing that I talked about, the first one, because the USA and the China about the tariffs and about all of that fucking shit, they are doing good in the trade deals, and they are having a good time doing the deals together, and they look like they found a way out, and that is a good thing. That removes uncertainty in the market and removes fear. Well, that's we're gonna leave the investors to invest more in the market. But then, as I told you, the war news are more impactful than just a trade deal on the tariffs. So moving on to the next one. It's probably the same thing. Our trade deal with China is done, subject to final approval with the President XY and me, full magnet, and any necessary blah blah blah. That we are getting a total of 55% tariffs. China is getting a 10% relationship. 10% of tariffs. The relationship is excellent. Thank you for all of your attention to this matter. This is actually bullish as fuck, because Donald Trump just posted that he did a good trade deal with the China president. That is a very good sign that we are moving with the economy of the US, and we are having a good relationship with the big countries like China and all of those. After that, we had CPI data comes in, and we had it like 2.4%. The expectation was 2.5%. This is bullish as fuck, but there is no inflation in the market. There is no uncertainty. There is no unemployment. Everything is looking good in the economy of the US. So that is gonna be giving us another point or another reason why the Fed should cut the rates, and that is actually a good actual thing. So the next one is that Trump said the Fed should cut the rates by 1 full point. We are close to a parabolic pump. No, he did not say this one. So CPI just out, great numbers. Fed should lower the rates. Full point will pay much less interest on debt coming due. So important. And that is literally what I talked about, because there is no inflation in the market. CPI is bearish. We have stability, economy is stable, and everything is looking good. So why the Fed is still fucking late? Please, Jerome Powell, fucking cut the rates so we can see the pump comes in, so we can actually see the altcoin season comes in. Please, bro. Why is doing this shit? And obviously, after all that, we have this fucking war statement comes in, which is Israel versus Iran, and hopefully, finger crosses that the USA does not involve in this shit, because if it does, we're gonna see also Russia comes in, also the China comes in, all of those fucking idiots comes in, and then we're gonna have a World War 3. Yeah. And we're never gonna see Bitcoin at $500,000 by that time. We're literally gonna be afraid of losing our lives. So that's why never support wars. Always say stop fucking wars. Stop wars. Stop bombing yourself. Stop all that. It's not a good thing. It's not. It is not. How dumb are these leaders bro? Why can't just do a real talk, see the situation, study the situation, and then comes up with a result, or it comes up with a solution for the problem? Why does it always need to be fucking attack, bombing, killing? Bro, why? It's not gonna lead us to nowhere. No fucking where. Please stop fucking war. And that is my final message for you guys on this video. Please don't forget to smash up that like button and to hit that subscribe button, as I told you, to reach 250 legends before the end of June, and I believe you guys, you can do it. Peace out, boys. I love and appreciate you. Peace out.